The Law of Attraction, the basics of the teachings of Abraham, delves deep into the philosophical and spiritual framework around the universal law termed as the Law of Attraction. This law postulates that every individual draws experiences and situations to themselves based on their dominant vibrations or energies. Esther Hicks and her late husband Jerry communicate the teachings of a group of spiritual entities known as Abraham, and this book is a compilation of these teachings, offering insight into how one can purposefully create their desired experiences in life. Key points. Universal vibrations. Everything in the universe, including our thoughts, possesses a vibration. Similar vibrations are drawn together, which forms the core principle of the law of attraction. Power of thought. Our thoughts have the power to manifest realities. What we focus on, be it positive or negative, becomes a part of our experience. Emotions as indicators. Our emotions clearly indicate our current vibrational alignment. Positive emotions indicate alignment with our desires, while negative emotions indicate a misalignment. Ask and it is given. Our desires, once set, are instantly answered by the universe. The challenge lies in aligning ourselves to receive them. Art of allowing. Being in a state of allowing means being in a vibrational harmony with our desires and letting them manifest in our reality. Role of meditation. Meditation is a tool that helps calm the mind and achieve better alignment with our source energy and desires. Practical advice, examples. Mindful morning routine. Start your day with a positive affirmation or a visualization technique to set a positive tone. Selective attention. Focus your attention on things that evoke positive feelings and deliberately ignore the negative aspects. For instance, instead of dwelling on a mistake, try focusing on what you learned from it and how to avoid it. Scripting. This involves writing down your desires as if they have already come true, incorporating all the feelings and emotions associated with the realized wish. Visualization with details. While visualizing your desires, make sure to involve all your senses. Feel the textures, smell the surroundings, and hear the sounds associated with your vision. Breathing exercises. Engage in breathing exercises to calm your mind, helping you to better align with the universe's vibrational frequency. Gratitude walks. Incorporate regular walks where you consciously appreciate the beauty around you, fostering a mindset of gratitude and attracting positive vibrations. Create a vision board. Compile images and quotes that resonate with your goals and desires on a vision board. Frequently viewing this board will serve as a reminder to stay aligned with your objectives. Mindful consumption. Be conscious of the content you consume, be it on TV, social media, or books. Ensure that it aligns with your positive mindset and the goals you wish to achieve. Help others. Engaging in acts of kindness enhances others' lives and elevates your vibrational frequency, aligning you more with positive outcomes. Personal reflection and journaling. At the end of each day, reflect on your experiences and jot down the positive aspects and what you learned. It's imperative to understand that the law of attraction isn't just a theoretical concept, but it's an active law that's working, whether we're aware of it or not. The key lies in harnessing it to our advantage. Before we wrap up, we'd like to invite you to engage with us. Like our video if it resonated with you, share it with others who might benefit from it, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Also, we would love to hear your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. In conclusion, The Law of Attraction, the basics of the teachings of Abraham, by Esther Hicks offers a foundational understanding of the powerful law of attraction. By harnessing the universe's vibrational forces, we can steer our lives in the desired direction, drawing in experiences, relationships, and opportunities that align with our true selves. As we unlock and embrace the teachings laid out in this insightful book, it becomes apparent that we hold more control over our destinies than we often realize. It beckons us to shift our perspectives, foster positivity, and actively engage in practices that uplift and nurture our minds and souls. By internalizing the teachings and incorporating the practical advice shared, we embark on a transformative journey to a more fulfilled and prosperous life, where dreams are not just fantasies but reachable realities. As we close, We invite you to reflect on the teachings and ponder how you can integrate these principles into your daily life to foster growth and unlock the full potential that the universe holds for you. Remember, the path to a better life is paved with positive intentions, and your power to manifest is limitless. Thanks for watching.